In this video, I'm trying to contrast the bivariation sets of data that suggest a linear relationship with bivariate sets of data that do not suggest a linear relationship from a graphic representation. So basically, I've got a couple of graphs here, and we have a bivariation of data. So otherwise we have, let's say, we have maybe, it could be, it could be basically anything. You could call it like a date or number of years and life expectancy, or just anything like that can be considered. Temperature and ice cream sales. It's usually two quantities, and you try to find if they have a relationship or not. Scatter plots are known for these, so otherwise you do a lot of scatter plots. And what we have on the right is a scatter plot. The one on the left, what we say is a nonlinear relationship. Linear means that it makes a line, and you can see that the shape actually makes what we call an exponential shape. So otherwise it gets close to zero and then goes up and keeps going straight up. Alright, that is an exponential function. Now, exponential functions still can have a relation. So otherwise, you could say as the temperature rises, so do ice cream sales, or the number of bacteria that you have and the number of people that get sick. It still could have a relationship. It just may not be linear. In this case, this is not linear, but it could have a relation. Now, if I can't form any kind of line, or anything that shows a pattern, then there probably isn't a relationship. It's kind of like a scatter plot that has no correlation. On the right side, we have a linear relationship, and I just use the data the same. I'm just using it just to explain it. The dots look like they appear to be going in a line, so there is some correlation and some relationship here. And so this is more of a linear relationship than the exponential function over on the left side. The whole idea on this is to just know what is a linear relationship and which one's not a linear relationship. So I'm just giving you a couple examples of showing you an example of a linear relationship compared to a nonlinear relationship.